Tingin mo ko lang. Hindi lang maliligo. Mayday! Grabe, alam mo kung gano'n ka naglalamig pa ako. Nagbubusinahan sila, parang pew, 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 gano'n. We're riding the first train. Hindi tinitingnan yung tickets namin. Nakapasok kami dito ng walang ticket. Nag-book naman kami online. So siguro kapag umalis na, doon pa lang nila i-check. Of course, sakto. Umalis siya na 5:13 a.m. So be here on time. Nagkasya yung maleta ko sa taas. Yun. Ang galing. Kinabahan kami kasi wala na space doon kanina. Okay, anyway, I shall sleep.
My guitar, I left the town. I drew my heart a little wall, but I felt things were better now.
Napakalaki ng Busan Station. Time check, it's around 8:03. So, around mga 2 hours, 30 minutes yung biyahe from Seoul to Busan. And mabilis lang. Parang ang sarap pa nga kung naging 5 hours yun eh. Parang katulog pa ako. I won't complain. And yung seat namin, pabaliktad siya sa direction nung way. So, nakatalikod kami. Yung parang hinihila ka, ganun. Parang hindi naman ako nahilo. Usually, nahihilo ako. Pero hindi naman ako nahilo or sumakit ulo ko. Ikaw, babe. So anyway, they have locker rentals here. Let's try.
Select a locker number. Enter your passcode.
We saw it little by little. What about common sense? And now we're stuck in the middle, so we climb the fence.
Guys, ang ganda ng Busan to the point na should I move here? Currently here in Cheongsapo Station, the station where you can ride the railway, yung popular railway, or the Sky Capsule, which is over there. So you can book all of these activities via Klook actually. We didn't book kasi we only have a few hours here in Busan. So this is the Cheongsapo Station. We're gonna ride the Sky Capsule because we have so much time. Dito lang daw bibili sa kiosk. English, ticket purchase, Sky Capsule. May oras! Oo nga pala. Galing namin. Wala, sold out. 11:30 pa yung next, guys. Time check. This is for next time. Ang ganda! I think this is my favorite spot here in Busan. Sobrang ganda! Ang ganda talaga! Oh, this is a nice place. Para silang mga inuman. Mag-o-open pa lang siguro later.
Play the Charles Bridge on the side with your hand resting under mine. I'm not so out of line. Your point of view, different taste. Walking slow, bumpy pace. Cause you know we can fall in love this moment.
Today's order. We have this beef tteokbokki and eggs Benedict. This is such a fun way to spend the day. Chill, walking in Busan. Smooth yung sun. So from Busan Station, exit 10, we're going on a skywalk. Skywalk ba? To the Busan Port. So connected pala sila. Ang saya. Meron pang walkalator. Tapos meron din parang park. Okay, so this is Busan Port International Passenger Terminal. So that's Busan Port. In December, gusto ko na talaga ito i-try, guys. Kaso hindi ako pinayagan ng boss ko. Sabi niya, it's too dangerous to be alone and yung waves daw tuwing winter is mas harsh. Wow, I'm here! Bakit para siyang airport? Ang ganda! Ang linis, ang bango. They have tourist information center over there. These are the sailing schedule. Hitakatsu. Busan. Busan to Osaka, oh. Busan to Busan? Ikot-ikot lang, besh. Busan to Fukuoka. New Camellia. Every day at 18:30. Ang arrival niya, 22:30. Oh, ayan ang schedule, guys. Ito na! Pagkaakyat, ito yung departure lounge. So, ayan na yung One Ferry, New Camellia, Panstar Cruise. Ang saya mag-cruise ang mga people. This is what we're gonna ride today. So, opening time of the booth is 4:30 and closing time is 7 p.m. for the ticketing. Prices as of today. We're trying to upgrade our ticket kasi economy siya. Yun lang kasi available online. Okay, so these are the rooms available. Ay, ang galing. Tabing eh. Ayan. Ayan. Ito na lang daw yung available. Okay na ako dyan. Ito yung nabook namin. Yung second class. Which is for sharing. So this is the New Camellia. Ito yung ferry to Fukuoka. This is the look. Ito yung mga available rooms. So meron din palang parang hotel-like. Single and twin. First class. Pag mga barkada. Tapos second class. Ito yung nabook natin. Yung share-share. Pero, you go sure. Tapos, merong bathroom mo, parang onsen. Ang saya, share-share din kayo. O, ayan, may restaurant, may viewing lounge, and convenience store. Yung goal natin is yung 4 hours lang na ferry. Para siyang yung ferry ng Hong Kong to Macau. Maganda yung upuan, parang business class. And short ride lang siya. Pero nag-stop daw sila ng operation. So what we have here, of course, we have boarding pass. Of course, passport is the most important thing kasi we're crossing countries. We're crossing the border from Korea to Japan. Yan, the boarding time, the date, and then room number, and then class. Ayan. Tapos, they also gave us this custom declaration form. You have to declare anything, everything na dala nyo to avoid hassle and extra fees. Wala naman yan, guys. Basta i-declare nyo lang, di ba? Just be honest. Disembarkation card for foreigners. So, sasagutan ko lang, guys, ang lahat. Galing! Ang galing! Maling-mali! Hingi mo ko.
Ikaw na magpakit. Mabait si Ma'am eh.
Binigyan naman nila ako, babait naman sila. Alam nyo guys, kasi nung nagbubook si Juneto, wala nang private room. So meron na lang yung shared. Sabi ko, okay lang naman sa akin. Hindi pa nagpupunta si Marvin nun. Tapos nung nagpunta si Marvin, sabi ko, sis, kamusta? Tapos sabi niya, yun nga lang, shared out. Tapos yun, parang first come, first serve, something like that. So, they have Queen, Beetle, Mina, Pan Cruise. So, iba-iba talaga siya depending sa, well, destination and sa vessel na sasakyan niyo. Ang ganda ng terminal ng Busan. It's giving airport. And malinis, maayos, parang bagong gawa, mabango. Okay, they have a big screen here. Time check. We're waiting for the boarding announcement for our ferry to Fukuoka. So, I'm just fixing everything kasi sabi nila strict daw yung immigration. And whenever I travel, I want it all smooth. Usually, I'm the travel princess. My boyfriend fixes everything. But here's a discovery of mine. Inaayos ko siya. So, there's this app called UBG. This is really perfect for all travelers kasi you only have your phone. And within your phone, you can manage your data and internet. Just a little background, guys. UBG is an eSIM app, which means you can get data plans for over 200 plus countries from Asia, from Europe, magagamit nyo siya. And it's in your phone. So, without Wi-Fi or without the cellular data, you can recharge. You can stay connected anytime, anywhere, so you don't have to worry. Honestly, guys, just download the app because you'll never know when you're gonna need it. You can search which countries you like. So, if you are in the Philippines, punta ka sa Siargao, kailangan mo ng extra internet, punta kang Boracay, you can just top up here. Very, very easy to manage as well. And guys, they have all the best destinations you can think of, from Europe, Australia, to Asia. So, ang saya ko kasi anytime I'm traveling, I don't really need to book or purchase SIM. As soon as the plane lands, I can just turn on my data and I have it already. So, it's a really nice experience for me. Basically, an app, and I hope you download it. Even if you're not traveling right now, you just download it kasi you'll never know when you're gonna need it. Especially kapag nandun lang din kayo sa country nyo. Diba? Kapag nawalan kayo ng data, nawalan kayo ng internet, it's nice that you have this app where you can just top up. There's no out-of-pocket, hidden, or additional charges here. It is what it is lang talaga, guys. So kung ano yung nakalagay na price, that's it. I'm really happy to be discovering this. It's my first time to use it, so I'm so excited. And I'm so happy that they're partnering with us with this video. Kaya sobrang happy ko talaga, guys, as in. Kasi sobrang life-changing niya. And by the way, guys, they gave us a discount code that you can use. It's Hazel, Hazel. Yung name ko lang, guys. You can use that as a voucher code for 10% off. And ngayon, guys, from Korea to Japan tayo. So, instantly mag-change na yung plans once I step into the border of Japan. So, you don't have to click on anything. You will instantly be connected to the internet. So, very, very nice. Grabe, ang laki talaga niya, guys. Nakakaaliw. Nakaka-happy. Ikot ko kayo. Ang ganda ng mga available na bags. This one is a cafe. And parang coffee, latte, tsaka mga smoothie and sandwiches. Mas marami yung shopping kesa sa kainan. Coffee shop lang meron, pero ang daming shopping. Buy pasalubong here. May mga K-food tayo dito. Ganda ng mga bags. Finally, we are boarding. Pinunit lang yung boarding pass. Nagmamadali sila kasi feeling ko kapag economy, paunahan dun sa magandang spot na tulugan kasi nga tabi-tabi sila, di ba guys? Kung interested kay guys, panoorin nyo yung kay Marvin for economy siya. Pero hindi ko kasi tinapos kasi ayoko nga ma-spoil. Gusto ma-excite. Oh my God guys, ito yung cool! Ay, parang hindi babe. Joke time ka naman, hindi ito. Mali. Ang ayos. Nice. So far, hassle-free. Wala naman akong issues. Ang sarap ng upo ko doon. May wifi. May shoppingan. Yun lang yung kainan. Parang, I would assume, dapat may dala ka na siguro or nakakain ka na. Kasi wala masyado. Coffee lang. Entering the big hill. Let's go. We're in the second floor. Oh my God. Welcome to the ferry. May elevator pero mahaba yung pila. So, binuhat na lang ni June. Okay, we're here. 417. 419. Di susi pa siya, guys.
Mabigat, sorry.
Walang liguan. Andito ang CR. Welcome to the Japanese room. Well. I guess this is it. Ano kaya to? Oh, not bad, mate. Yan siya sa labas. Yon. It can fit up to 5 people itong room na to. Wala man nung natripan namin, guys. Sa totoo lang, mas mura ang flights. Mas mura pa ang nag-fly na lang kayo. Pero gusto ko nga lang siya ma-experience. Siguro naman, hindi to pang 5 tao talaga, no?
O, 5 tao to.
I mean, pero tayo lang dalawa din dito.
Hindi ka sure.
So, they gave us this one. It's an amenity kit. And inside, you have soap. Soap! Kasi maliit lang. Soap. Hair care. Talagang pang isang araw lang. Hindi na ako maliligo. Body wash, conditioner. Toothpaste, toothbrush, towel. Not bad, mate. So this is gonna be our cabin until tomorrow. One thing I love most about this room, magnetic. Kaya yung camera ko kung saan-saan ko nadidikit. They have lockers and then vending machines over here. Masa ako. Gutom na ako.
Tayo sa canteen.
Yeah. Ito, merong food, chicheria over there. Okay, so this is the restaurant. It's called Venus. 2010 to 21. Uy, 1 hour lang siyang open. What if kain tayo? Kimchi jjigae. Curry rice. Pili ko kain tayo dapat, babe, no? Aside from the convenience. Okay, so these are the available meal. Ito yung seaweed soup, kimchi jjigae, and then yung curry. So we chose curry na lang. Japanese yan lang ang tinatanggap. So, good thing we have it. Welcome to the Surfside. Yung garden cafe natin, guys. But make it Japan. So excited for dinner. Sobrang gutom na ako, guys. Dinner! Just a review. Una sa lahat, ang mahal niya para sa presyo niya kasi walang meat yung curry. So, technically, rice tapos sabaw lang yung curry. So, bumili kami sa vending machine sa labas and they have chicken karaage. Meron din takoyaki, may gimbap and all. Parang better na lang na bumili na lang ng ganito, no? Tapos nag-share tayo sa rice. This is where I bought chicken karaage, 4 pieces, 600 yen. Parang deserve ko to. Anong do not use? Deserve ko nga, di ba? Totoo ba? Kailangan ko ng pampalubag loob, I swear. Tapos binibenta pala nila to pag naka-economy ka. Okay, we're out. Wow! Ang hangin, malamig, ang sarap. Ang ganda ng Busan. Port paggabi, may ilaw yung bridge. Yan, umalis na yung isang ferry. Bakit sila nagbubusinahan, babe? Ang cute nila. Yung barko namin, tas yung barko na dumadaan, guys. Nagbubusinahan sila. Parang peong, 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 peong. Ganon. Una na daw siya. Bye-bye, guys. Bon voyage. Made it! Finally here. 6:41 AM. Actually, gising na ako ng mga 5 AM. Tapos natutulog lang ako ulit. Babibrate yung floor. Parang medyo masakit sa likod. Pero nung nakatulog ka na, ang sarap na ng tulog. Dapat makatulog ka na bago siya umandar. Kasi nakakatulog na ako bago umandar eh. Kaso nung umandar, nagising ako. Tapos nararamdaman kong nagbabibrate siya. Ang sabi sa schedule, 7:30 yung arrival sa Fukuoka. Pero we arrived at, I think, mga 6:15 nandito na kami. So we don't know if okay na umalis. Medyo tinatamad-tamad pa. Ang sarap pa humiga.
Wala siyang ginigit tayo.
God, welcome to Fukuoka. Oh my guys, so they also have a SIM card booth here, but we don't need that because instantly connected na ako sa internet. Kanina pa guys, once na na-cross namin yung border. Tapos guys, usually yung mga SIM na to for the specific country lang. Like this one for Japan lang, not available sa Korea. So mas maganda yung UBG app kasi instantly kapag nag-cross ka ng border, wala ka na i-click, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung data mo. May mga narinig ako na bibili na lang sila ng SIM after pagkadating ng port. So after mo pa makapass through immigration, dun ka palang connected. Official map. Ang hilig ko kumuha ng mga ganito. The best of Fukuoka map. Tapos meron naman dito Fukuoka local map. Ano kunin ko? Cute. Ang cute gupit-gupitin no for journal. So they have currency exchange, ATM, and rent a car booth over here. Nandito yung commemorative stamp guys. This is how it looks like. Hakata Port. Okay, we're riding the bus to Hakata. Oh my God, guys. Tingnan niyo vending machine. Pwede na rin yung GCash, Alipay. So cool. Scan nyo lang to. Turns out cashless yung bus. So we need to buy IC card.
Get refund of 500 at here.
I get to design. This is how it looks like. Nimoka card. So it says 1 card to get on buses and trains. Card is 2,000 yen. Pero may deposit, may laman siyang 1,500 yen. Okay guys, ito pala yung sinakyan nating ferry. Si New Camellia. Malaki naman siya talaga. It's nice, but it's old. And outside, literally outside, is the bus to platform 1 is for Tenjin. And then number 2 is for Hakata Station. Tas over there sa dulo, Taxi Bay naman siya. Around 1,500 pesos siguro. Pero kapag bus ang sinakyan nyo, 260 yen lang. So that's around 120 pesos, diba? Mas mura mag-bus. Okay, so this is the Hakata Port. Hello! Life update. Team No Ligo. Kasi wala kaming sariling CR. Tapos yung CR sa harapan namin, walang shower area. Tapos nagsasara pala yung mga shower. Finally here in Hakata Station. So, nandito lang banda yung hotel namin, maglalakad lang. Nandito yung main station din, so nandito yung Shinkansen. And if you're gonna transfer or explore other parts like yung Yufuin, Beppu, mabilis. If you're here, near this area. 500 meters na lang yung hotel natin. And we just booked a 2-star hotel. Mura lang siya. Kasi yun yung pinakamura guys, Golden Week ngayon. In fairness, ang bilis nung data ko.
Speed test mo.
Speed test. Fast.com ba?
Fast.com.
Speed test natin. Ang bilis kaya!
Bilis nga.
Ang bilis! Oh my God!
Sobrang bilis
Sobrang... Wow! Oh my God, makaka-upload ako ng YouTube vlog. Super bilis. Oh, grabe babe. 300 Mbps. I'm so happy with this app. Please download it. I-download nyo lang kasi you'll never know when you are gonna need it.
Not bad.
Not bad, mate. Not bad.
Sobrang bilis
300 Mbps nilang pasok ko.
Times 3 sa internet sa bahay.
So, this is the station. Hakata Station. And then, ayan, may Tokyuhan. Punta tayo dyan mamaya. Let's just drop the bags. Let's go! Welcome to Fukuoka. We're here. This is our hotel. Hotel 3rd place, Hakata. Welcome to the first official Ichiran branch. And this is in Nanokawa, Fukuoka. Ay, ang saya. Para akong, hindi ko alam yung mapipil ko. Parang may goosebumps. So, iba pala yung name ni Ichiran before. So, before, it's called Futaba Ramen. Ngayon, Ichiran Ramen na siya nung nag-open siya. So, technically, this is the first official Ichiran restaurant. Maybe this is the old store. Ito yung original. Of course, meron na silang mga packed instant noodles. Ito pa rin yung mga presyo niya, guys. The price, 1190 kapag ramen noodle refill. Ito naman ramen lang. Isang set. Without an egg. Kasi ito may egg. Okay, so we are gonna enter. Oh my God! Ito na pala yun. Kakamiss yung tunog.
お出しにご記入がありましたら前のボタンに手を挙げてくださいませ。
Naligo na kami, finally. Live update. First update, nakaligo na. Hindi na ako nag-tour ng hotel. Super sikip niya. Pero it's nice because it's affordable. And I feel like yung space is enough for the two of us. Hindi naman kami maraming dalang maleta din. And for me, happy ako kasi mura siya. Okay yung location niya. And it's Japan. Talagang maliliit yung mga hotels dito. Kakalakad namin. Ang dami na naming magandang spots na nakita. Very nice yung neighborhood. Very peaceful and quiet. So, hindi ko alam parang cleaner than the usual Japan. Parang ang linis lang lahat. Ito pala yung mga nadaanan natin, guys. Hakata Old Town. Ang cool. Welcome to Ohori Park. I'm so curious ano yung Ohori smoothie. Ano kaya yan? These are the prices. 2 adults na 1,200 yen. And yeah. Meron din palang robot. Cute! They also have a hot dog stand.
Forget, still thinking about how we met. Yeah, I'm with you now. Oh, one thing that it's plain to see, the best thing in this life's for free. That's so true now.
We are lining up a very long line for this famous Hakata ramen. Sabi nila it's a local's favorite, so let's try. Excited talaga ako kasi they said that this is a popular ramen place. And malapit lang naman siya sa hotel. Kahit gutom na ako, antayin ko to. Better be worth it. Mag-time check tayo. 5:11. Live update guys. Ang lapit na namin. Pang 13. 5:29. Mabilis naman pala siya. Tapos, umorder na, kinukuha na agad yung order. And cash only sila. So, bring cash. 5:37, lapit na namin. Ang bilis lang ng pila ha. Ang galing kasi nila mag-manage din talaga. Like, pagkaupo namin, di ba nga, pagkaupo nung nandun, ready na.
Kuha na nila yung order in advance.
Oo, kuha nila yung order in advance. Ay, ang ganda ng pwesto natin. Nasa dulo. Tada! June's order. Sarap? Weh! First time mong masarapan sa ramen other than Ichiran. Ang sarap! Ang sarap! Sarap. Done! Ubos! Ubos na.
Alam mo yung sabaw, pero may salted egg.
Oo,
Parang
yung pala
ganyan vibe.
parang may pagka-salted egg. 5:58, we done. Ang haba pa rin ng pila. Hindi na uubos, grabe. Pero sobrang bilis lang ng pila. Huwag kayong...
Deserve niya yung hype.
Deserve niya yung hype, yes. Ito, parang classic din yung style. Walang eme, straightforward, ramen. Sarap.
Iba yung broth.
So, feeling ko wag kayong matatakot pumila. Lalo na kung gusto nyo mag-try ng bagong ramen. Kasi, masarap siya. And mabilis sila. Mabilis. Maganda yung sistema. What do we have here? Ay, dun tayo sa favorite kong corner. Yum, yum, yum! Ano to? Pudding. 4 na. Ano naman yung mag-iisa lang? Ay, wala na yung favorite kong mochi. Tapos red bean. Uy, ang sarap nito guys. Ayan o, yung may red bean. Yum. Ang cool! Cheesecake. Yung parang nilalagay sa bingsu. This one is also a favorite of mine. Nung bata-bata pa ako, guys. I love it. Ito na lang kaya. Para magaan lang. Whipped cream and melon sauce. Cute. Isa din to sa mga favorite ko. Banana crepe. Ay, ang cute. Souffle with whipped cream. Cheese honey butter balls. The popular creme brulee. Good morning. I bought this yesterday and it says i-reheat yata siya for 1 minute and 20 seconds. Ayan guys, medyo inopen ko. It's called cheese and honey butter balls. Time check, it's 6:51. We're gonna book Uber kasi umuulan. Going to the station. We're heading to the most exciting part of our trip. Yufuin! Gusto ko talaga makapunta doon. We're riding the Shinkansen today. So this is the JR Shinkansen ticket counters. You can buy here. Bumili kami online. Of course, you can book via Klook. I have my discount code. Maganda bumili online kasi nauubos yung seat, makakapili kayo. Tapos at least, nasusold out siya dito. For some reason, magandang bumili ng Shinkansen tickets online na lang. And meron dito akong discount code, so baka mas makamura din kayo doon. Okay, let's go! And just like that, you'll see your reserved ticket.
Please take your ticket. Thank you very much.
Yay! Diba guys, ang bilis lang kapag nakabili ka na online. Let's try. Sarap! Para siya yung cheese balls sa Korea, pero make it like a mochi, yung ano niya, texture. We're so early. Our train ticket is at 7:43. Time check around 7:05, mga ganun. Better early, para chill lang maglakad at hindi tumatakbo. So, ito lang yung mga bukas so far. Mga croissant and mga bento box. Bento box store. That's the prices. Parang gusto ko tong 1,450 yen. Or itong 1,280. Got it! Wow, ang ganda ng train stations ng Fukuoka, no? Maaliwalas. Malinaw naman ang mga instruction. Actually, titingnan nyo lang yung oras, guys. Kapag di nyo maintindihan, basta yung oras. Track number 5. Let's go. Ganda ng train, babe. Oh. Ano yan? Wow! Nakita mo ba yung itsura, guys? Wow! Guys, better check your car number. Kung anong train yung sasakyan nyo. Malinaw and line up. Internet, 3 gig pa lang yung nagagamit. Ang bilis niya kahit nasa outskirts na kami. Finally here in our hotel. It's just a 900-meter walk from the station. Guys, ang cool! Hot spring yung ilalim, parang init siya. Finally arrived in Yufuin, and it's one of my dream destinations here in Japan. Another bucket list ticked off for us! All day mag-uulan, kaya meron tayong payong from the hotel. We just dropped our bags kasi we arrived around 10 a.m. and check-in is at 3 p.m. Sino ba naging bed ng 3 p.m. na check-in? Pero okay lang. Ang ganda ng hotel na napili ni June, so excited din ako mag-relax later on. Today, we're gonna walk to the Floral Village around 1.5 kilometers or 2 kilometers, parang mga ganun. And I don't care. I like walking so much. And ang ganda naman ng pathway ng Japan. And ang ganda rin ng village. Very quiet, peaceful. And for me, it's giving aesthetic. Ang ganda. Sobrang old town Japan. Ayan. Normal lang na view itong mga gantong bahay dito, diba? Let's see what we can do today here in Yufui. May nadaanan tayong restaurant and ito yung price point so far ng mga restaurant dito. Parang ito mga breakfast options. Ayan, mga dessert. Parang hindi naman siya tourist trap ganun na presyuhan. Dito daw tayo dadaan. It's giving anime. Ang ganda! So cool! O, diba?
Yung anime setting, no?
Yun nga eh. Para ka lang nasa anime.
Hindi yun yung tugtugan dito. Iba-iba.
Ano dapat?
Hindi ko alam.
Pang snow yun.
Pang snow yun.
Wala, hindi ko alam.
Mga anime dapat. Anime.
It's the same old sound in the same old town. I wake up early with a sigh.
Daming kainan. Yufuin barbecue restaurant, sushi. Ayan, nice tong Nico ice cream store. Wow! Hi! Seafood! Wow! Ayan guys, I think popular yung mga grilled rice balls dito. Iniihaw nila, tapos medyo manamis-namis. Parang ganun. Ang cute! Mukhang masarap to. Cafe and milk sweets. Dami naming nadadaan ng cute cafes, cute stores. Love it. Saya na. Uy, mukhang masarap to, babe. 280 yan lang later. Ayun o, yung parang leche plan. Freshly baked cheesecake, babe. Only here. Uso yung ice cream na may honey. So, dito pala nanggaling yun. Sino kaya nagpauso nun? Korea or Japan? Ayan o. 1,000 yen. Sa Korea, guys, parang nasa lang, 180 pesos. 6,000 won pala. Magkano yun? 240 pesos. Dito, 500. Sir, ang ganda. Ang ganda naman dito. It's an old town with a lot of Japanese delicacies, cafes, restaurants na merong mga pastries. Rich matcha and milk, oh. Okay. Matcha bowl.
コールナンバーのアイスマッタラテで。
Parang sobrang sweet.
Parang milky masyado.
Oo nga eh, parang konti lang yung matcha. Para siyang
Milky.
milky matcha, parang KitKat. Kaya pala nauubos ng mga tao. Agad-agad. Wow! Strawberry Daihoku Mochi. Okay guys, may mas mura-mura, 900 yen lang. Meron pang parang cookie, parang ang sarap niya talaga, babe. Kung may bulgogi, sila may bungogyu. Mukhang masarap din to. Pudding Daifuku. Uso rin dito ang shaved ice. So far, ang dami ko nakikita. Pansin ko guys, ang daming coffee shops dito. And then, ang dami rin nagtitinda ng shaved ice. Parang bingsu or parang halo-halo. Or parang ice kachang ng Singapore. Ang sarap mag-food trip. Omiyagi. Ayan, dito yung Yufo Inomori na train. Mitarashi Dango. Ang cute! Dito na si Miffy Bakery. Ang cute. We have Miffy. Parang sikat tong Miffy melon bread. Kasi, hubos na siya, guys. Guys, parang ang sad naman kung dito lang sila nakatira sa maliit. Parang hindi nakaka-happy. Maliit lang pala siya, guys. Super liit niya. So, nawiwirduhan talaga ako na bakit naglagay pa sila ng animals. May owl na parang something doon. Owl forest. Tapos meron pang goat ba yun, goat. Sobrang liit nung place, I swear, guys. Sobrang liit niya. Tapos yung owl, umagang-umaga, pipicturan mo. It's not giving. Ito yung parang owl zoo. Tapos merong parang duck. Ayun parang kawawa sila, guys. Pero ayun yung owl, guys, Hindi ba siya kawawa? Kasi sa gabi gising. Tapos nagtatrabaho sila ngayong umaga. Ito naman yung goat farm na, tingnan nyo yung kamay ko, ayan So, tingnan nyo mula dyan. Papunta lang dito. Piling ko dapat ginawa na lang nilang cafe. Gets nyo ba yun?
Parang maganda naman yung loob.
Maganda yung loob, pero
But may animals. Sobrang weird.
not giving. Next stop. Parang nakakaiyak talaga yung dun, yung mga animals dun. Parang di sila happy. Sobrang liit niya for them to host owl forest. Hindi naman siya mukhang forest.
Tsaka
tapos yung
goat.
goat lalo talaga.
Parang gutom pa yung mga goat.
Nakain na nila yung mga flower. So, nasad na ako. So, bye-bye na. Maganda yung area, guys. Parang sarap mag-food trip. And kung mahilig kayo mag-shopping, ang cute to. Para kay Nana, babe, yung hotdog. Pero, hindi lang siya, for me, hindi lang appropriate na may animals sa ganun kaliit na place. Tapos, yun nga, yung owls na nocturnal sa umaga, parang ino-open siya for viewing. So, parang ang
dapat tulog sila.
Oh, well, papel. Ang cute ng hotdog, This one is Doghouse of Yufuni. Okay, we're gonna eat. Finally open na sila, guys. Gusto naming umupo kasi medyo hassle pag pika-pika tas mapapagastos kami ng sobra. Isang stick pa lang 1,000 na yun Yan, mukhang masarap. Di ko alam ang ordering ko. Charging. Kasi 15% lang. This is the best power bank ever. Grabe, super fast charging. And magaan din. Slim naman siya. And nakakailang charge talaga yung phone ko. Pati yung camera ko. Which is my DJI Osmo Pocket. Wagyu beef bowl. Yung mga tinda nila. Parang ito lang yung available. I wanna order this Wagyu beef sushi kaso hindi siya available. So, pilaf siya instead of rice. Okay. Let's eat, guys. Hirap pala. Where we ate, it's called Wagyu Daruma. Wagyu Daruma. Okay naman yung quality ng meat, masarap yung sauce. The usual Japanese Wagyu beef, parang ganun yung lasa niya. Pero medyo nasa pricey na side siya for me. Pero kasi baka mahal talaga yung meat kasi maganda yung quality, masarap. Yung in-order natin, 2,750 yen. Hawak-hawak ko yung power bank kasi nakakonect siya sa camera. Instant 41% na agad, guys, from 13%. Power bank. 41% from kanina mga 13.
Look out, here she comes, the woman that I love. It's too bad she'll never know. Yeah, I can't tell her how I feel, because she has someone who makes her happy. I'm a ghost in these walls, or at least I try to be. 'Cause I hope that I'm not showing how I feel for her.
This guys, kasi sobrang ganda. Found this cute pastry shop that sells brown sugar fried manju. Bibo, brap, mukhang masarap yun ah. Inis, ayaw niya. Ang saya ko pag gusto ni Jun eh.
Ba't tayo mo kumain mag-isa?
Wala, ayoko lang kasi ano ko pa yung payong, tapos ako lang naman mag-isa. Ang ganda ng bundok oh. Parang napaka-healthy ng bundok na to ah. Walang space, punong-puno ng greens. We have a Cafe La Ruche. Cute naman ang pathway na to. Ang tinda ay very French. So it's a French cafe. We're going to a lake. Kinrin Lake. Ganda! Umuusok pa siya. So yung water is from the hot spring, I think.
I wake up early with a sigh. The morning breaks to leave behind.
We wanna try this out. We gave in and we bought Chocoladora. Pero hindi yung Chocoladora yung pinili namin. Na-attract kami sa red bean and butter kasi yun yung favorite namin. So, okay. Try natin. We have a free shuttle going to our hotel at 3 p.m. Walking to the station. Sundo from the hotel. Ang saya, may sundo tayo from the hotel. Grabe, kanya-kanyang villa pala dito.
This is public content.
Oh, public content.
Blue in men, red in women. Separate.
Separate. Oh, okay.
Today 10 p.m. close. Now open. Tomorrow 7 a.m. open. 9:30 a.m. close.
Close, okay. Parang nakaka-relax kahit dito na ako matulog sa may ano guys. Hallway. Yun nga eh. Okay. Wow! Sobrang laki! Ay wow, nandun na, na-deliver na nila yung luggage.
Japanese yukata and pajama.
Okay.
You come to the restaurant, go to public bath, use yukata and pajama. You go to the public bath, use bath towel. Public bath in inside, no bathtub.
Okay, okay.
This is private locker key, this one.
Okay.
Use this.
Thank you. Wow.
Mineral water, big one.
Mineral water.
Use this one. This amenities is all free.
Wow!
Outside and inside for bath.
Wow!
Red hot, pink cold.
Pink cold.
Please use soft to close the tap.
Clap your hands and you'll feel stronger. Tomorrow you get another chance. Don't blame yourself under the circumstances. Tomorrow you'll get another chance. Take control of your feelings. You know you've been dreaming. Where are all the loving words? Where have all your sweet dreams gone? Wipe that frown off your face. When all is done, you'll be
Dito lahat? Highball. Bakit puro alak? Drinks for the kids. Life update! Grabe, sobrang ganda ng hotel na to. And hindi ko alam, pero parang mas may feels or mas may vibe siya na may ulan. So, hindi ko tuloy ma-imagine kung hindi umuulan now. Parang ano kayang vibe din nito. Pero sobrang calming and relaxing ng place. Actually, sabi ko nga sa inyo nung nasa hallway pa lang tayo. Sabi ko parang iba yung vibe, ang gaan. And ang ganda ng customer service, hinatid pa kami dito and they toured us around. Nakita nyo naman yun, tinur tayo sa ating room. The space is so big. So, sad lang kasi yung booking namin, walang kasamang dinner. Pero yung dinner nila is Wagyu na sukiyaki, which is 36,000 yen for 2 people. That is around mga 13,000 pesos. Mahal din naman. Anyway. Ganda! Grabe, sobrang laki and ganda. Late na kami nag-book, so medyo pricey yung pagkakakuha ni Jun here. Si Jun kasi naghanap talaga ng lahat. Pero, dami naming pinilian. Nadaanan din namin kanina yung iba naming tinitingnan. Pero, so happy. Isipin ko na lang birthday treat ko to. Ano naman kaya to? Let's see. Ang mahiwagang baon. Ako, mami, pag binuksan ko, mapunta ako sa ibang dimension. Anyway, so calming, so peaceful. I love the place. Highly recommend. You can book this via Klook and use my code HazelKlook. Kung sana may extra camera lang para makita na umiiwas si Jun sa vlog ko. Ang sarap ng upo ko dito, guys. So, ganda ng view. Diba? Guys, ito pala yung labas. Parang ito yung foyer. So, nandiyan na yung shoes. And yung umbrella. Ito pala yung labas ng villa. This is our villa. It's giving the farm. At San Yufuin. Charing. Tawa ka, babe. Babe, ang bat mo. Babe. Ang sama mo, hindi ka tumatawa. Babe, ay, hindi mo ako labang.
Love dito, bakit mo natatawa?
Yung joke ko, the farm. At San Yufuin. San Benito. Ano ba yan? Ba't mo? Let's go to the convenience store. Nakakatawa guys kasi may kasama shuttle parang service going to Yufuin Station from 3 PM to 6 PM. Bibili lang kami ng food kasi hindi na daw pwede mag-dinner doon. Well, mahal din naman kasi. So, carry po. Nagmahal na yata talaga ang mga bilihin. Tara, here na tayo.
Salmon big, oh.
Today's meal, dinner. I got dessert and it's on sale. Custard pudding cake. Got this for, oh my god, babe.
Go, solid. Okay lang yun. Buhay pa yun.
Alam mo yung uso sa Korea? Uso rin dito. Iisip ko, saan kaya talaga siya galing? Or Korea talaga siya, tapos yung mga Koreans dinadala siya dito? Or galing talaga siya ng Japan, dinadala ng Korea?
Yung ice cream ba?
Ano sa mga kanya? Yung potato, sweet potato na may something. Alam mo ba anong gusto ko sa Japan? Hindi siya matamis. Pero masarap siya. So ano pang ilalaban ng mga 5-star o mamahaling restaurant kung yung convenience store, ganito na yung quality?
Mas masarap.
We just checked out in our beautiful, super worth it hotel here in Yufuin. And I just realized, no, na Yufuin for me is slow traveling, slow living. Ang sarap maging bakasyonista kesa maging super turista. I realized parang kahapon na 2:30 PM tapos na kami, binabagalan na nga lang namin. Pero parang it's made to be slow, just enjoy, just go from store to store, tapos mag-check ka ng mga delicacies, try out some street food, and all that. So parang na-realize ko lang, ganun siya dapat i-take in. Tapos, ang daming mga onsen, public bath, so you had to try that. Good thing our room has its own onsen, which is nice. Pero nice din ma-experience yung public bath once in your life. Ibang feeling siya, tsaka ang gaan sa katawan after. Anyway, yun lang. So, na-realize ko lang namin ni Jun na ang ganda niya if you want a vacation that's relaxing, if you want a vacation that is slow, not very fast-paced, touristy. Kasi coming from Korea, parang nasanay kami na parang dun ganon. So parang dito sa Yufuin, parang it's okay na mabagal lang lahat and just enjoy the view. Like this one. Ang ganda ng view. Look at that view. At yung street na nilalakaran natin kahapon, it's gloomy but now it's so sunny. The mountains are so beautiful. The view, grabe, ang ganda. And the weather is so nice. It's currently around parang mga 18 degrees Celsius, which is cold, pero kaya na mag-mini skirt. Gonna rent a car. We're just looking for it. Left side of the Ifuin station is the car rental service. Ayan, ayan, patak na muna doon. We are renting a car today. This is it. Renting a car. We need this international driving permit. You can get in AAP. Connect lang yung aking driver's license, passport, and then magbabayad na tayo. Guys, tingnan nyo yung sinasabi. Wow. Oh my God, guys! Ito na! This is it! We just rented a car. Ang comfy! Gusto ko lang dito 40.
Sakto sa size mo, no?
Oh my God! Bakit? Kasi baliktad. Kung dito baliktad, okay lang eh. Automatic naman siya. Kaparehas lang ng mga automatic na car. Kung paano mo din buksan. Pati yung ano, di-click na lang din. Ang tawag dito? Yung handbrake. Yan, di-click na lang din yung handbrake. This is also the key. Automatic keys din. This is the back of the car. After how many months of not driving, I'm driving here in Japan. Can you believe it? Today, so fun. We are going to the Kyushu Wildlife, the African Safari. I'm so excited. And it's just around 11 kilometers from here. And siguro mga around 37 to 40 minutes to go there. But I think kapag ako yung nag-drive, mga 1 hour 30 minutes. So, I don't know. Pero I'm so excited to drive around Japan. It's my first time driving sa hindi ko bansa. Honestly guys, sobrang bilis lang nung pag-rent ng car. Nagpa-reserve si June ng slot. Pero wala kaming binayaran at all. Like, nagpa-reserve lang kami online. And then, after that, hiningi lang yung passport and yung ating international driver's license or driving permit, which you can get in the AAP for Philippines or for those living in the Philippines. May mga branches si Automobile Association of the Philippines. Akin, kinuha ko sa may Gilmore. And then, mabilis lang siya. Actually, magbabayad ka lang and magbe-wait. And then, nandun na siya. So, technically, parang binibili mo lang yung driving permit na yun for international kapag meron ka ng driver's license. Ayun lang. Pwede kayong mag-rent ng car all the way from here kung gusto nyo i-drive yung Tokyo or whatever it is. We're just renting a car for the African Safari.
You got me feeling good, right about your side.
Ay!
Lost in every move, riding down your smile. Baby, hold me tight.
Hindi ito! Sabi nila, bakit ba kasi kami
Keep it low, cause you dropping it down.
Okay na.
We gon' boogie to the sundown, no. Baby girl, you look so fine, fine, fine. 아무 생각 없이 can't wait to need.
Okay guys, so sabi dito, sabi sa amin na don't worry daw, hindi na daw kailangan inspectionin yung car. Kasi kahit may ano daw, gas-gas or masira namin yung car, okay lang daw, hindi daw kami magbabayad. So no need to inspect. Kasi syempre di ba bago mo i-rent, i-inspect mo din para hindi masisi sa'yo yung damage. Except for gulong daw. Pag nasira daw yung gulong, kailangan daw namin magbayad. Pero gulong daw. Ganun yung insurance policy nila or yun yung inclusion sa pag-rent mo ng car. Grabe, alam mo kung gaano ka nang lalamig yung pa ako doon, boy, babe. Sobrang lamig. Anyway, yun lang. Yun lang sasabihin ko, guys, kasi hindi ko na kayo mag-vlog. Adios, amiga.
Let's go!
Konnichiwa. Na bus. Ah, pag jungle bus, ayan guys, kapag wala kayong car. Let's go! Ito na tayo! This is it! Tiong, 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 tiong. Tiong, 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 tiong. Let's go! Oh my God! Bumubukas na siya! Ah, dalawa-dalawang gate. Sobrang familiar na ito. Ito ba yung sa Train to Busan? Tiong, 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 tiong. Tiong, 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 tiong. Guys, this is, oh my God, ang saya nila tingnan. Naiyak ako. Di ba dapat ganito kalaki yung space? At least. At least man lang. Hi! Hi, goat! So cute! Nakakita tayo ng bear!
Kumaka sila sa winter base.
Sobra, sasabihin ko mga anak ko.
Walking hand in hand on our way home. The roads were drawn like something certain. Every turn laid out so clear. Felt like love, looked like forever. But I
Here ulit? Ab, go to
we
me.
had a
Oh my God! Look at that! King of
sa'yo.
the jungle! Okay, we're entering giraffe and elephant. So, per zone siya, guys. Zone. Good, excited na ako! We love elephant!
Ay, nandun sila.
Saan? Midway na sad na kami, guys. Kasi, parang yung elephant kanina, nagsisway-sway siya. Tapos sinearch namin ba't siya nagsisway-sway ng ganon. Maraming possibilities, pero basically, kapag sinummarize mo, bored siya, or medyo distressed siya. Kasi nga, parang wala siya masyadong interaction, or baka stress siya. So, naisip namin baka sad sila.
Kasi litre ng space niya.
Ngayon, dito space. Kanina super okay ang ganda nung mga pinasukan namin. Pero nung si elephant na yung nakita namin, parang nasad na kami.
Laki-laki niya para doon sa ganong kalit na space.
Tapos ito naman si giraffe.
Parang hindi ko alam kung nakakalabas pa sila sa area na to or baka dito lang din sila.
Baka bawal. Kasi may mga nagbabantay. Tapos kapag parang more than tawag dito ka na sa linya, yung mga animals. Parang inaandar nila yung car para bumalik yung animal doon. We are, I think, done. Parking na pala to. So, patapos na pala tayo, guys. Tapos na. We went here. Parang siguro 1 hour kahit ang tagal mo, no? Okay, guys. So, finally, we're here in the parking area. Smooth? Uy, not bad. Not bad. Nakapark tayo. Tapos, ang technique ay tatapatan mo na lang yung side mirror ng katabi mo. Tapos, ang tanong nila, paano po pag walang katabi? Ay, hindi ko na rin alam. Anyway, we are done with the Kyushu Wildlife African Safari. It's always been my dream na mag-African Safari, guys. As in, sobrang dream ko talaga siya. Nalaman ko sa vlog ni Mami na may African Safari. So, nag-safari kami. Nung first, I think yung first impression namin, the first few zones, parang ang saya. Kasi parang okay naman yung living conditions sa mga animals. Ang saya-saya, ganyan. Ang saya, laki ng space. I think, parang may life sila doon. And then, okay talaga kami, we're enjoying. And then, one day, pagkapasok namin dun sa area ng mga elephants, tapos nakita namin yung elephant na parang siyang sad. Parang masasad ka talaga. Parang nagigets ko siya, babe. Hindi ko alam why. Kasi parang may time sa life ko na parang yung vibe niya is hindi ko na lang gagawin ko. Parang siyang tuliro na nasa stress na ano ba itong gagawin ko? Gusto ko maglakad pero hindi ako pwede maglakad. So bigla na kami nasad ni June, tapos hindi na kami ginanahan mag-picture. Actually, okay yung concept. Okay yung buong African safari if sana.
Hindi na ini-include yung mga animals na hindi naman dapat nandito.
Oo, yun, okay. Baka possible na better, mas marami. Kaso huhuli ka ng maraming elephants nga naman.
Ba't ka huhuli kung pwede ka mag-rescue?
So possible siguro kung yun nga nag-rescue ka ng mga elephants. Tapos sobrang dami lang. Kasi extrovert pa lang mga elephants, guys. So gusto nila ng socialization, gusto nila ng friends, gusto nila ng big fam sila. Naglalakad sila ng mahaba-haba. Di sana malaki yung space ni elephants. Tapos marami silang rescue doon. Tapos may, alam mo yun, pwede sila maglakad. Kaso mga nakabantay yung car. Okay sana siya kung wala yung mga ganong bagay. So, depende na lang sa inyo if you like to go. But honestly, it's okay. Sana. Pero, it's such an experience. We love animals. So, parang, ang saya makakita ng animals. Pero kung ganun din yung makikita mo, might as well wag ka na lang pumunta din. Sa iba na lang. Like yung mga, tawag sa mga ganun din.
Sanctuary na legit.
Sanctuary. Pero ang ganda talaga ng concept. Anyway, we're heading back to Yufuin. We're currently here in Kyushu. So, yung area na to is Kyushu. We have a train to Fukuoka at 7 p.m. Yes. Finally! nag-loosen up na yung tension sa likod ko tsaka sa paa ko. So here in Japan, well, walang free parking. So you have to find your own parking space. Marami naman dito sa Yufune area, no? Nakahanap kami ng parking malapit, katabi lang ng car rental. And instead of returning the car now, inisip namin gawin na lang namin siya, nalagyanan muna ng aming mga gamit.
Since mas mura siya kaysa sa Coin Locker.
Yes, mas mura siya kaysa sa Coin Locker. So 400 yen yung parking for 24 hours. Yung Coin Lockers, guys, 1,200 yen. Anyway, let's go. Let's eat. It's 14:07. Ang bilis talaga namin mag-travel. Right in front of the station is this restaurant called Tabi Musubi. Let's eat here. Tara. This is their menu. You're gonna order a set. And from the set, pipili kayo ng dalawang musubi rice ball. And yung mga rice ball na kasama. And if you want this, mag-a-add ka ng 250 yen. This is our order. Okay, let's walk. Because time check, it's 3 p.m. We still have a few hours left before our train arrives at 7:40 p.m. Meron palang Matsumoto Kiyoshi dito. Hey! So nice. So if you've ever... Oh my God! May dumaan! Aww! Cute horse! They also have Matsumoto Kiyoshi here. All of the famous parang sunscreen, makeup, yan o, Shiseido. Meron din here. Alam mo, iba rin yung vibe niya nung umuulan kahapon. Ang ganda rin ng fog, ang ganda rin ng rain, pero iba rin naman yung vibe niya ng maliwanag. Kitang-kita mo yung ganda ng mga mountains. Okay, so sikat pala to 7-Eleven na to here kasi yung background niya is Mount Yufu. That's the background. It's Mount Yufu. Popular spot to check out Mount Yufu. Found this cute store that sells some nice accessories. And it says, pierced earring believed to give good fortune daw. Aqua stone calms the mind. Ganda ng mga necklace, huh? So beautiful. Pansin ko guys, ang daming parang gemstones, crystals na mga store, tapos tinitinda nila as accessories. Also, yung mga yan, mga Japanese na ceramics and umbrellas. Ang dami ring tinitinda dito. Ang ganda. Look, ganda, diba? Vending machine, no? Ng mga, antaw dito? Film cam. Ha? And Instax Mini. Grabe, 3,980 yen. Isang Fujifilm na medyo pricey siya. Pero kasi nasa kalagitnaan ka nga naman. Oh my God, guys. Ang ganda. This is how it looks like. Ang ganda coaster. Na-absorb niya agad. This one?
This one.
We bought a honey ice cream kasi hindi ko talaga siya matiis. Actually, honestly, kahapon gusto ko na talaga siyang tikman. Kahapon pa. Binili namin yung mas mahal kasi dun sa katabi, 900 yen. Dito, 1,000 yen. Sabi ni Jun, doon ka daw, mas masarap yung mahal. Parang yung cream, parang lasang kalabaw, no?
Kalabaw.
Karabaw? Kalabaw? Karabaw? Di ba gets mo?
Kalabaw.
Bad ka. Ganda ng mountains nila, guys.
Your feet
Okay guys, so if you bought online tickets for the train, you are gonna redeem it here in this machine. Kailangan yung i-insert yung credit card na pinangbayad nyo.
There is no reservation associated with the card inserted.
Okay guys, make sure na yung card na ginamit yung pambayad online is yun yung card na dala nyo and i-insert nyo siya dyan. Kasi kung hindi nyo makakuha yung ticket, mali yung na-insert namin.
Please take your ticket. Thank you very much.
Ticket! Yay! Got our tickets. We're waiting here in the train station because our train is arriving at 7:40 p.m. I think. And it's only 6:11 p.m. So, wala nang earlier train than that. That's the next available train. So, take note of that if you don't wanna wait. Kasi a lot of stores closed at around 5 o'clock. So, sobrang dami nang sarado. So, wala ka na masyado mapupuntahan. Although, there are restaurants na nakita ko na open pa in this trip. But just walking distance, so it's okay. And masasolo mo talaga yung mga picture spot pag medyo paggabi na. But if you don't wanna wait and arrive early in Hakata, you better not book our train, which is 7:40 p.m. Pero kasi nung nag-book kami, lahat sold out. Ito na lang yung available. Anyway, that's it. Medyo hungry ang ate girl, so let's see what we can eat. May sikat daw na ramen, may masarap na wagyu. Pero honestly, it's so pricey yung mga presyo dito. Okay, we're walking to Samurai Ramen because we still have 1 hour and 10 minutes to spare. And maganda-ganda pa ang laban. Oh, actually nice din naman yung last train, pero dadating kayo sa Hakata ng 10 p.m. But anyway, hiningal ako doon. Wait ko lang si Jun. Picture pa siya. Ganda guys ng Yufui, no? Ganda! Very walkable yung city. So, I guess if you are here, lakad-lakad galore talaga. Medyo mga malalayo, mga 1.5. Feeling ko total na lang mga lakad nyo. Dapat mga 5 km. Ito! This is where we're gonna eat na mahaba yung pila last time. Ah, oo nga, ito nga yung mahaba yung pila. So, sikat siya. Gusto mo i-try? Okay, tara.
Samurai Ramen.
Insert money first.
Excited to try this viral or famous Yifuin ramen, Samurai Ramen. The verdict is saks lang. Para mas masarap pa si Ramen Kuroda. 5/10 siguro ako. Down. Mas labang pala. Pag na check, it's 10:30, exactly 10:30, yes. And we're up so early, we're back here in Hakata. We're also back in our new favorite ramen place here in Fukuoka. So, it's called yung Hakata Isu. Ito yung kinainan natin last time na mahaba yung pila. So, they're opening at 11, so wala pang pila. Times before, way before they open, mahaba na talaga yung pila. Ang dami ko pang gustong itry na ramen shops and mga cafes dito sa Fukuoka kasi there's just a lot. But we only have a few days here talaga. So, sabi namin, why not? Balikan na lang namin to kasi super sarap niya talaga for us and para maalala namin yung place. Kasi we'll never know when we'll be back here in Fukuoka again. Sobrang sarap. If you're a fan of ramen, guys, I highly suggest you visit Fukuoka. There's just a lot of popular ramen shops here and we're yet to try when we come back. So, ayan. Ayan guys, kumakain pa yung mga staff, nakakatuwa. And meron na rin pila. Humahaba na yung pila natin. Time check, 11:16 and tapos na kami kumain. Parang technically 16 minutes lang yung buong process. Tapos ka na. I've been wanting this Delphonics na utility pouch. And they have a lot here. And this is the color that I want. Meron siyang plastic cover. Sa loob, maraming malalagay. Tapos, we also have the Delphonics pouch over here. Yun. Per konti. Finally here in Fukuoka Airport. Nasa loob na kami, guys. Tapos na kami sa immigration. And ang ganda ng airport nila. Meron ding mga shopping and mga luxury brands na available. May food court din. Ay, ang galing pal. Ang nostalgic na parang, yung minsan napipil ko lang like now. Nakita ko yung Philippine Airlines kanina na counter. Hindi na ako doon nakapila pa uwi. Like yung pauwi ko na is Airsoul, ganun. Happy naman. Hindi mo lang nagreklamo. Wala lang yun, papuntang Pinas. Ako papuntang. Wala na nga, ayoko na nga. Look, there's so many resting place. Seats, lounge area. Ang cute, no? Ayan, no? This is the food hall. Ang cute, may mga upuan-upuan dito. We have the Hakata food hall. Let's see what's here. Mga burger and curry. Mga eel. Ganda rin na ito. Mino shokudo. Parang ang sarap ng minced tuna, salmon, avocado, seafood rice bowl. Tempura over here. We have motsunabe. Wow. And then some katsu.